What is up guys, Johnny Star here. I'm about to do some unboxing video. Now it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video. I haven't done an unboxing video for so long. Since the last unboxing video you saw was I was unboxing my gaming laptop. And now I'm gonna be unboxing a game. Star Fox Zero. Now this is not a sequel or a prequel. They finally released a new Star Fox game since after nearly 10 years since the DS one. That's not all. It comes with a bonus game called Star Fox Guard. Like, if you can see it. Alright, I'll let you see the back right now. Okay. Fix this. Not sure you can see it clearly. There you go. Now you can see it. It's rated E for everyone. Oh, sorry, my bad. Alright, let's start unboxing this. Oh, wow! I'll let you see the game again. Here's this one, Star Fox Zero. I think it's the same as the box, but I'm not gonna let you see it again. I didn't get the amiibo because, you know, I didn't feel like getting amiibos. And here's Star Fox Guard. And I'll let you see the back. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Alright, let's start unboxing it. First things first, I will box Star Fox Zero. Alright. Well, no instruction manual, but here's the game. Alright. Right now it's Star Fox Guard. I need to do digital instructions. That's why they don't do instruction manual anymore. Here's the game. Oh look, it says no need to download the special demo for Star Fox Guard. That's available through Star Fox Zero. You already got the full game right here. I know you see this earlier, but I was just reading the back. Maybe you can see it. Alright, well that's my unboxing video, and I will start making the videos of Star Fox Zero like sometime in the future whenever I can. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do full playthrough of Star Fox Guard, because I heard like it's more like tower defense strategy stuff. It's not like a shooting game and stuff, but yeah. So first up, I'll start the Star Fox Zero, and then after I finish Star Fox Zero, then I might try Star Fox Guard. I'm not sure if I'm gonna play if I started playing Star Fox Guard, if I'm good at it, I'll play the whole game. But if not, I'll just do a quick play of Star Fox Guard, if I'm good at it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more of my future videos. And also check out my unboxing videos, you know, at the link description below if you want to see my past unboxing videos. And thank you for watching. This is Johnny Star Games, and I'll see you next time. Peace.